Yeah, this is my day one of doing research in or doing research in agriculture. I am applying chemistry and want to carry out research on a variety of issues. And this is my first day. My research is specifically going to be this area, and of course, with time, I'll consider also other places because I intend to do research on a variety of different types. So see which type of crop is better, which type of fertilizer I was supposed to apply in that field and everything. So I also intend to do analysis on the soil sample to determine the acidity of the soil, the alkalinity. In Uganda they have a challenge that I intend to do things out of nowhere or out of rumors and everything. Someone just tells you today, you know, these days maize is on market. A kilogram of maize is costing this, it's costing this, it's costing this. Maybe it is 2,000, 3,000. You'll be like, oh my goodness, I have to invest in agriculture next season. I'm going to plant maize. So you just go, you get a place, rent a place, then you start planting maize, and from nowhere everything is collapsing. The maize is looking ugly because you didn't do what we call analysis, soil sampling, because you need to determine which type of soil does maybe maize grow best. Is it in swampy areas? Is it in hilly areas? Is it in because they have different soil types, the subsoil? Is it that? Is it the black loam soil and everything? So we intend that we see that we specify. Sometimes we don't do that research, and me, I'm going to specialize there. It's called agricultural chemistry, and also I also do some research in green chemistry, how we can make this environment we are living green, how we manage the wastes and everything. So this is my day one, and of course I'll be updating you on the progress so far, what I've done and everything. So this is where I'm going to be doing the research. I'm going to test on a variety of crops, maize, nuts. I'll test on tomatoes. I'll test on gooseberries. In Uganda, they are called entontono. Yeah, I'll test on uh, banana plantation. I'll test on pumpkin plantations and everything. So that just stay updated. Yeah, just stay updated. I'll be informing you in every progress. Yeah, we are going to also do research on type of fertilizer, because sometimes we find that we have different soil types, and find that some soils are acidic in nature, and find that some crops they don't prefer such soils. They don't prefer such soils. So that's why I find some places you're planting maize. Maize is not good, but when you plant maybe pumpkin, maybe when you plant banana plantations, they're looking nice. For some crops they prefer acidic soils, others they prefer alkaline soils, others they prefer neutral soils. So this is the research we need to invest in. Actually, it's very important. Yeah, we need to know, because sometimes we find that some crops prefer alkaline soil, and for you planted in acidic soils, and on top of that you're buying fertilizers which are acidic in nature. So instead of neutralizing maybe the soil, then again you are increasing on the acidity of the soil by applying the acidic fertilizers. So you are going to invest so much in this research. I'll be updating you and everything. So I'm the executive director of Data Lab, so don't forget to subscribe and follow. You like these videos. Yeah, thank you so much.